everyone, I've got a kitchen tip today, not so much a cooking tip. And for those who don't know, my name is Veet Karen from Veet's Vegan Cooking School, and today I'm going to bring in the cameraman, who actually is my life partner too. So let's bring in the cameraman because it's his tip. Here's my friend, everyone.
Hello.
So we have this kettle that we love because it has the different temperatures on it. And so you can have a different temperature for your lemon water in the morning, a different temperature for your peppermint tea, and of course boiling hot for black tea. And the lid broke off, or the hinge didn't work anymore. And so now it's over to Matt.
So here in Mullumbimby we have what's called a repair cafe, where you can take anything that breaks and they will attempt to repair it, which is great in this day and age where everything is designed to break quite soon. And so I thought, oh great, I'll see if I can get it to fix it. And all they did was give me an idea, and that idea fixed my kettle, because the idea was put a handle on the lid. Puff! And and so I thought, how wonderful to have a little magnet. Sadly, the lid is aluminium, and so I had to glue it. But how cool is that?
So isn't that ingenious? So we don't, because there's nothing wrong with this kettle except the hinge went on the kettle. So I thought that we should on the lid, not the kettle. I thought that we should let everyone know, because it's a great tip. I would never have thought of it, and we can keep our kettle. Yeah, that's all from us. And please, oh, he's gone. Please like, share and subscribe, because I think the world needs to know about this. Okay, everyone, bye.